The Hyacinth Macaw, cutest and smart birds. If you're looking for a pet bird that's beautiful and intelligent, the Hyacinth Macaw is definitely one of the top picks. However, they are not for the faint-hearted and require a professional level of care. Taking care of these amazing creatures is like having a full-time job. They need a lot of space and can be quite adept at escaping, so finding a suitable cage or even a whole room for them can be tricky. Despite their size and strength, Hyacinth macaws are intelligent and social creatures that enjoy interacting with their owners. They can be trained quite easily and will happily spend a lot of time with you. Just be sure to give them plenty of attention, or they may start to act out. As the biggest of all parrots, these majestic birds can grow to be almost as big as a bald eagle. But don't worry, their size does not make them difficult to train or bond with. They are great companions and will form a strong and loving bond with their human caretaker.